Cześć, siemaneczko, witam wszystkich. Ja jestem Marcin, ale to już wiecie. Na tapecie mamy dzisiaj Peugeota i generalnie film będzie po angielsku, ponieważ mamy gościa, czy też klienta anglojęzycznego. Dlatego teraz będę mówić po angielsku. Hello Pablo, nice to meet you.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, exactly. Pablo is from Spain, yes? But now you live in Netherlands. Okay. And he is now in Poland. And he decided to make a cheap tuning of his car. It's Peugeot 208. Engine what is mounted inside. We have here 1.6 Pablo, yes? 1.6?
That's it.
eHDI. And it's 100 horsepower stock. We already measured the power and we have 97 horsepower and 241 Newton-meters. We can say everything is in tolerance. We have also we did or I did diagnostic. Everything looks okay. We don't have any errors in the ECU of your car, so it looks good.
That's good. That's
Yeah,
good.
I have heard that you can say dobra.
Dobra.
Polish.
I can say it also. I can say another bad words everybody know.
Yeah, you can say it now.
Ja pierdolę.
Kurwa also.
Kurwa mać.
Okay, enough, enough. But everybody that are learning Polish, first or second word is this kurwa word. Yeah.
Later you say dobra, but the first one is that one.
Exactly. Okay, and you have this car a long time, or?
It's gonna do 5 years, and these last 2 months here in Poland I saw too many modifications.
Okay.
And I try to do my best with this because I really like this car right now, and now I put the coilovers, the new coilovers, the ABAC.
Okay, okay.
And
So you made the tuning of the suspension, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You changed the springs a little bit.
Because it was like
ABAC,
about
ABAC.
ABAC, yeah.
Deutschland, Germany. Good.
Germany.
Good stuff. Yes. ABAC I think is from Germany.
I think so.
Okay. Okay. And the exhaust also is not stock, or?
No, it's not. I do myself this, but I'm gonna fix it one day, someday.
Was accident? Or? No.
Because yeah, in my house I did with the like this, and the rest is just the final.
Okay.
The end of the.
So you bend it a little bit, or?
Yeah, I put one for a complete to put it to looks better outside.
Okay.
But the inside is just iron to.
Okay.
Can put it bigger.
Okay, understand this. Good. And now we are reading the software. We already read the software. Save all. Okay, we have the file. So Pablo, you have to rest there. I can make you a coffee if you want.
That's it.
And I'm going to write the software, and we will write it to your car. Maybe
Martin.
one time, maybe more times, until we will finish the remapping the car, and that's all. So I think 30 minutes. You have to wait. Yeah.
That's it.
Great.
Thank you, Marcin. Do your magic.
So you were asking about the Dpf machine, yeah?
Yeah.
So in this machine you can clean Dpf from your car. So if it's stocked and full of salt and other shit inside, you can unmount it and put it into this machine and clean it. And after cleaning should be like brand new, and you don't have to buy new one from your dealer, Peugeot dealer in your case. And I think you can save a lot of money.
Yeah, that's true. You're gonna spend it in a new turbo, better.
Bigger turbo, okay, exactly. It's a better way to spend the money, not to new Dpf. Okay, so I have the file ready, I think. Now we will write it in, or now we will write it. And we are staying for a long time in in Poland or just in the holidays?
I have already 3 weeks, and I have tomorrow I go Netherlands. So I'm gonna do 1,000 kilometers.
Okay,
I think it's gonna be good.
it's good. So you will test the software, I think.
Yeah, in Germany.
100% you will test it. 1,000 kilometers is a lot. Long way.
No speed limit.
No speed limit, yeah. 1,000 kilometers to Netherlands. So it's which city in Netherlands?
Meppel.
Apple. It's near to which big city?
20 minutes to Zwolle.
Okay. Yeah, German highway are okay. No speed limits sometimes, but mostly no speed limits. And in Netherlands, I think it's 130.
Yeah, the max now is 150.
130.
But you still the mornings
Mhm.
till 6, and after 8, 9, I think it's 130. But the rest is 100, 110, or yeah, it's quite slow.
It's not a lot, and not a lot, and a lot of, I don't know how to say it, radars
Yeah, there is.
that are measuring the speed,
Mhm.
speed traps.
Yeah, you need application, Flitsmeister. It's yes or yes, because there is sometimes there is one highway that's have like 8 in 10 kilometers, something like that.
Something like that. Okay.
There's one type of camera
Mhm.
is checking how many are you going in every moment in a couple of kilometers, so you cannot go more than 100 in.
I don't know. It's a section on the road where the speed is measured, like one gate and second gate, and the speed is verified between. Yeah. We have also that in Poland.
Yeah.
I know that you are surprised, but yes, we have it. But not a lot. And that is good, that not a lot.
Another thing I like here in Poland is the lights.
Yes.
When you have red light, you should stop. But if nobody comes, the red light is shorter. Not like 30 seconds every time.
Not everywhere, but yeah, the new crossings have this kind of lights. Yeah, it's intelligent.
That's so good. I mean,
Yeah.
less cars in the highway at the same moment, and you can be more flow.
Flow is better. Yeah, not so many traffic. And you don't have it in Spain, this kind? No.
No one. I mean, not even Madrid or
Yeah?
the capital. There is not the. There is
Okay.
a lot of cars always, so they need it, but they don't put that. And in the highways also, they don't have the cameras of longer how to say, distance.
Yeah.
They put a helicopter.
Mhm.
It's called Coyote or something like that. I mean, they have a name. There is
Yeah.
police in the helicopter, and they are checking the cars one by one in the highways.
No way.
Yeah, it's great.
And
I
they are
have
checking. They are checking what?
the speed.
Yeah. Also from the helicopter.
Yeah,
And
I have a photo of
and
the
they,
helicopter.
you have a photo. So, but how they can read the registration plate?
I think it's a machine with too much zoom or something like this.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have 2 photos of, because with only one they cannot say you nothing. Later in the lawyer
Yeah.
say you no, you need 2 photos. If you don't have 2, they cannot take your money.
Yeah. You need 2 photos. Aha. Okay.
In Spain it's like this. So they take helicopter and there is sometimes there and there's camera.
Maybe this is also because of the distance, that they are making first photo on the first point and second photo on the second point, that you are
Faster.
faster. Yeah. Yeah. No shit. Okay, so police in helicopter is measuring the speed in this plane. We don't have it in Poland.
I'm gonna show you the photo.
Yeah, I would like to see it. Okay, so Monster. I think we can wake up the Monster, Peugeot, and we will try to measure the power. So Pablo, you have to stay outside, and I will ask you when we will finish. This kind of situation that we have 126 horsepower at the end. First version was 122, now it's 126, and I would say this is the maximum that we can safely do from your car, because you have small turbo inside, yeah? So it's cannot go higher without smoking and problems, in my opinion. Okay. And I think we will leave it in such a way. So you have 126 horsepower and 285 Newton-meters torque. And this is around 45 more than it was at the beginning. I think in the higher rev you will have more torque on the bonus, and we have around 30 horsepower more because the stock was 97. So also looks good. And if you have a time, we can go to the road and you will drive it and we will see your reaction. Yeah? And I think that will be all. Here in your car you have EDC 17, C60. It's quite complicated one because the car is supported with the AdBlue and all this stuff, and the Echo is quite a lot of things to you have to understand to make a remap in this Echo. A lot of maps you have to change it. It's not the old 1.9 the eHDI. It's so everything went off. It's good. So Pablo, now we will test the car on the road, and tomorrow we go to Netherlands, so we will test it, I think, completely.
Yeah.
Completely.
More in Germany, more than in Netherlands.
Yeah. I think on the higher revs you will feel it also more.
It's a small bullet, you know. That's why I like this one, because it's the height. It's 1000 something like this.
The weight?
The weight.
Okay. Exactly, and the economy is quite good. Yeah, you can push it a lot on the highway, and the consumption is on the which level? 5, 6 liters?
5. And normally less because I use for highways to work and stuff.
That's good.
And you do also downpipes? I heard.
Yeah, we also do. We can mount a downpipe, or we can also make a downpipe, but it takes time. Yeah, we don't make it on the place. Like you have to leave the car, and then we can make it. But if you go to Netherlands with downpipe, it's not a good idea. German police also don't like it a lot.
That's it.
On the left, on the few meters, we will have the petrol station, and then we can turn over. I think you will test it tomorrow. I think completely. But this is, like you said, the weight is not big, and 40 or 50 Newton-meters more you have to feel it, yeah, because the weight is so less, so small. Okay, but nevertheless, thank you, Pablo, for your time and that you agreed to make a YouTube video. If you like it, hit this subscribe button and like button also. And thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Martin.